Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome set of cocoa butter soap. I'm going to show you some of the details of this project.
So you were given two giant chunks of the cocoa butter that you are going to melt down. They tell you to cut it into squares to make it easier to melt. And basically, it's super easy to cut. I could probably even have kids do it, maybe like a butter knife or something. But you just do the slicing and dicing, and then you add it to the pot and heat it up. You can see here my daughter helped me, and she had a lot of fun with this project. I actually had both my kids help me. They decorated it. They added their dyes. They added the color. There was a couple different options of flower petals you can add. We chose to put them in before, but you can probably do it anyway. And there was also scents. There's 3 different scents, and they just had a really fun time experimenting and playing with this. It was easy. It wasn't messy for us. And honestly, it's soap. So even if it did get somewhere, it's just going to clean whatever area that it's on. And the molds themselves were good quality. They came with multiple designs, which I really liked.
I highly recommend this soap making kit, but that's just my point of view.